This compact YVN digital voice recorder offers generous 128GB storage, so it comfortably holds long lectures, multi-day meetings, and ongoing project notes without constant file cleanup. Battery life is strong enough for extended continuous capture, making it reliable for full-day conferences or back-to-back classes without worrying about recharging. The voice-triggered recording option helps conserve power and memory by only capturing when people are actually speaking, which is especially useful in meetings with long pauses. Its triple-stage noise reduction and omnidirectional microphone work together to keep speech clear and intelligible, even when you are not sitting right next to the speaker. The sturdy metal-style housing feels durable in the hand, yet remains light and pocket-friendly, and it doubles as a simple file storage drive over a modern universal serial bus Type-C connection. One-touch controls for recording, saving, and playback make it approachable for beginners while still being flexible enough for students, journalists, and professionals who record frequently.